Hello students, in the previous video we were discussing the solution part for this question. I hope you people have taken the cofactors and followed by you have taken adjoint, and as I mentioned earlier also, first go for determinant. We got 31 and first speak about determinant value into I as a first result. So followed by A into adjoint of A. This is a matrix, this is also a matrix. A is given. This adjoint of A which you have performed just now by taking transpose of all the cofactors. Now you have to multiply these two matrices. For the multiplication, we know it very well. Previous chapter, matrix multiplication, we have already done it. So I have taken the step once again here. So it is 3 cross 3 order, 3 cross 3 order. First row, first column should be multiplied. 1 into minus 1 plus 8, product 24. First row, second column is done here. It's 19, product minus 28 plus 9. Now first row, third column is performed. It's 1 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. 3 2s are 6. Similarly, second row, first column is done here. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Continue. Third row, first column. That is minus into minus plus 4. Minus 20. It is 16. Third row, second column performed. Third row, third column is done here. So once you go for this step, we have to simplify it accordingly and we find the answer 31. You find here 28 minus 28 0, and here you find 0 followed by it is 0. This is 31. This is 0 which I have taken here. This is 0. This is also 0. This is 31. So this is nothing but is A into adjoint of A. This is our second result. Now let's go for one more result to be done here. There is adjoint of A into A. So the matrix adjoint of A, this is the given A. Again, first row, first column, perform it. I have done it for you here. You find the same result. So that's why I told you 31 was the main target here. So first only find out the determinant value. You be confirm what we expect here in these two cases. Then you can proceed for these two solution part. And if you are not getting here, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 31 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವೆರಿಫೈ. ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾನ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. But hook or crook, this property has to stand. And determinant value into Y itself is an indication that what should be the answer. Is it clear? Fine. So on the base of 2 cross 2 order, let's go for the verification of this property. So if A is a matrix and you have to verify the same property, adjoint of A into A or the reverse is always equal to determinant value into the identity matrix. So A is given and you know how to find out the adjoint for A. How to find adjoint? Previous video already we discussed. E-wide elements na ulta barkotira. The principal diagonal elements to be reversed. Minus 1 here. 2 is to be taken here. These two elements are kept as it is only, but sign will be changed. Plus idre minus barkoli, minus idre plus barkoli. So it is minus 3, sign change. It is plus 2, sign change. This itself is adjoint. It is same as what we have done for cofactor elements barkotiri, transpose tagotiri, everything is done. Only for 2 cross 2 we have shortcut. Now to verify this property, as I mentioned earlier also, you have to first perform determinant. So let's go for determinant value. To find out the determinant value here, so I have to go for determinant. I hope you remember what is the rule for determinant. Plus minus 2. This is minus 6 actually, sign change, plus 6. We have 4. So followed by I should say it's determinant into I, but this time we have to go for I should be taken for the same order as that of this. Andre ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಗೆನೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 2 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 2 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 cross 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ I have to perform this or to take this anti-matrix of 3 cross 3 order only. So I was here with 1001 and let's go for this 4004. This is what we expect here when I multiply these two. Set your mind. Now let's go for adjoint of A into A. For this, adjoint of A I have taken here -1 3, -2 2. This is the given matrix. First row, first column I have performed here. It's -2 plus 6. First row, second column, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. It is +3 -3. You're happy with this because we expect 0. We expect 4 here. While writing itself, we can verify. So second row, first column, I find -4. This is +4. Happy with this. Second row, second column, it is 6. It is -2, 4. So second result. Similarly, go for A into adjoint of A, perform it, you find the same result and therefore conclude the answer. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಡಿ. This result is true for any square matrix A. That's why I said it's a property. Disprove ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Now, okay, similarly, I have given one more question. You can try for this question now. Okay, I have given the A is a matrix and verify the property. Steps neatly you have to write and practice it. You provide if you have any doubt, you can call me and ask. If A is a matrix, then you have to verify adjoint of A into A and accordingly. Okay, so a solution part I have given for this. I think 14 is the determinant value and that itself is enough for you. That hint itself is enough that what we expect here for every product of the matrices. So solution later you can verify, but just prove it properly with all the steps and everything. Got it? So few more numerical sums shortly we'll go for adjoint. But before I go for the next exercise, that is 4.5, you need to speak about one more important definition, that is inverse of a square matrix. So inverse of a square matrix already people have come across in the previous chapter, wherein we have calculated, we have found the inverse of a square matrix by elementary row operations. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Before I go for the definition of inverse of a square matrix, let's first speak about one more new term called singular ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, as well as non-singular matrix. So for singular matrix, definition says that any square matrix, a square matrix A is said to be a singular if its determinant value is 0. ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು 0 ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that matrix itself is called as singular matrix. Otherwise, it is called as non-singular matrix. Whereas, henceforth, in our discussion, we are very much interested in non-singular matrices rather than singular matrices. Why? Because, let's go for the definition of inverse of a matrix. So, inverse of a matrix antandaga, we have to say if A and B are two non-singular matrices, that means determinant value should not be equal to 0. Determinant value ತಗದ್ರೆ ಅದು 0 ಬರಬಾರದು. ಅಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ inverse concept exists. Why this is so? See, already people have come across with the function ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ function ನ inverse function ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ there is a condition for function, it should be bijective. I mean 1 1 and non 2. So there is a condition given for the function so based on which we speak about its inverse. Similarly, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು matrix ಗೆ A, if A matrix should have its inverse matrix, then it should be a non-singular matrix. That means determinant value should not be equal to 0. That's the condition. So let me continue here the definition part. If A and B are two non-singular matrices of the same order should remain same, and if this condition fulfills, yaudu A into B ಮಾಡಿ or B into A, and this should give us identity matrix. This definition you people are learning in many chapters, but the main part you people are learning in detail in the first chapter called relations and functions. Relations and functions, where you speak about commutative property, associative property, you speak about identity element, further you speak about inverse ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲೇ. So there itself you people have come across with inverse, where you say the definition as A star A inverse or A inverse star A is equal to E. Then this symbol is called as inverse. In the first chapter, relation and function, you speak this is the definition for inverse. Based on this only, we have already come across the number system. plus is the operation given, 2 is given, you say inverse of 2 is minus 2 with respect to addition. That is minus 2 plus, I should say it is 2, because 0 is the identity element in the number system. In the number system, you people have already come across with one more operation, that is multiplication. For 2, you say it is 1 by 2. The reciprocal of 2 is inverse, because the reverse is also true and 1 is the anti-element. These two you people have come across in number system. Whereas in vector chapter also you say any vector with respect to addition operation, a null vector or the reverse. Okay, I was speaking about identity element here. So instead of identity, I should say it is any vector with respect to addition operation, its negative vector or the reverse. Okay, so this will give us null matrix. So null vector here, that itself is called as identity. So to begin with, identity I was speaking about here. This is not the, this speaks about identity. Okay, and this speaks about inverse. So inverse you people have come across with respect to addition operation in vector chapter. Similarly in matrix also, okay, you are learning A is multiplied with respect to multiplication. Respect to multiplication, A is multiplied to B or B is multiplied to A. I should expect identity matrix. Regarding function also you have come across, that is a F naught of G with respect to composite operation. Okay, the reverse, G naught of F. We expect here identity function. Identity function, identity matrix. I should say it is an identity vector. With respect to addition, it is a 0, null vector. So in the various concepts you people are learning, you are applying this property. This property you are people learning in the general for any set in relations and functions. Got it? Yeah. So number system you are done it. So similarly, so I was speaking about the inverse of a matrix. And let me come back to the definition. That's why we say here it is A into B or the reverse B into A is equal to I. Where I is a unit matrix, then A and B are called as inverses of each other. This is the definition part. Whereas you people can note number 1 I given here, where I can speak about what is the formula to find the A inverse. Formula to find the A inverse is formula. I said formula. It's why? Because in the previous chapter matrix you have come across with A inverse by elementary operation. So, but this time we are learning straight away the formula. So we are okay. Formula also have proved it here shortly. We have adjoint of A upon determinant value of A, but condition applies. Determinant value should not be equal to 0. That is, A is a non-singular matrix. Then and only then this is formula is applicable. I should say A inverse exists. Now how this formula has been taken? See, already we know this formula, no? This property, it's A into adjoint of A or the reverse is always determinant into I. So this property has to be dragged. This property has to be adjusted so as to fulfill the definition of identity or definition of A inverse. So what I have done here, I am trying to go for A inverse or A inverse A is always I. Just now I proved it. So according to fulfill this requirement, what we are doing here, this result has been divided throughout by determinant value of A. So that in RHS, I should retain. I matra ulibekalle. So that means it's a constant value. Determinant as a constant value. Some value I'm going to get here. 3 minus 1 by 3, something constant value. That value can divide it throughout the equation. So once I divide it, I find A into adjoint of A divided by determinant value or divided by determinant value is equal to I, kept as it is. Now this step what I got here, it fulfills something special. What it says, A star A inverse or the reverse. A inverse star A is equal to E anta bartade nodi. That is identity. Because this is the definition of inverse of an element which you people had done in relations and function chapter. Accordingly, when I compare this result with this result, I find A inverse is actually A compare ಮಾಡಿ I compare ಮಾಡಿ compare ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I find A inverse is actually adjoint of A upon determinant value of A. A very important formula. Correct? And based on this formula, people are going to solve 5 marks question also. So remember this formula. And here it depends upon determinant also. This formula it depends upon adjoint also. So adjoint ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, determinant ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, you have to remember all the steps. Determinant, you know it very well how to find. First row ಅಂತ expansion ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. For adjoint, remember how to find the cofactors. ಆ cofactor ನ list out ಮಾಡಿ transpose ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಆಗೋದು adjoint. Alright? So, okay, note number 2, remember, if A inverse exist, ittu antantandre. Okay, so while speaking about this condition, let me highlight once again. Nodi condition bardaga compulsory determinant value 0 irbaradala. Because denominator should not be 0. That's why I put a condition here. Got it? So, akasmat 0 bandre, what next? Akasmat determinant value 0 bantu andre, first step alli you stop ಮಾಡಿ, you have to say that A inverse does not exist anta stop ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. Got it? So, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ the note number 2 says, if A inverse exist, it exist ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ determinant value ಮಾತ್ರ 0 ಇರಬಾರದು. Okay, ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ then it is unique. ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು, ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. It's unique. Now one more, based on inverse only, we have one more important result to be discussed. If A and B are two non-singular matrices. Why non-singular? Andre, either A the inverse ide, B the inverse ide annodike, what we say, if A and B are non-singular matrices, then always this relation stands, that is AB inverse is always equal to B inverse A inverse. Don't say A inverse B inverse, be careful of the property, it is B inverse into A inverse. So all the properties you have to list out. One paper can list out all the property and remember this property. Based on adjoint also we have, based on determinant also we have, based on matrix where we have discussed the various operation, there also we have the properties. Okay, so remember all this property. Now, okay, 1 or 2 numerical sums are taken it on singular matrix. Okay, they can ask you, I think one year in the board exam, they asked the definition of singular matrix was asked. Okay, so remember this definition also. Definition is very important. Important definition. Remember definition. So based on the definition, even the sums can be asked. If the matrix is singular, then find the value of x. If the matrix is singular antandaga, determinant value 0 anta helutte. So given if A is a matrix, singular matrix, then according to definition, I should say that determinant value ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಅಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 0. ಸೊ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 5x. It is minus into minus, I should say plus 20 is equal to 0. Simplify this equation, we get the answer x is equal to minus 4. So x is ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ minus 4 ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ minus 4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ 5x ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ minus 20 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0. That's why. So you have to take the same condition to solve it also. Okay, one more I have taken here for 3 cross 3 order. You need to solve it. Take it as homework. If A is a singular matrix, determinant should be 0. Okay, yeah. Find the value of x. So after solving, you can verify. Answer for this question is 11 by 12. Just confirm the answer. Okay, and even you can, if the answer is something else, even you can put it in the comment box also. Let me see. But this solution I have verified it. Let me. You can solve it and verify the answer. Should be the answer. Now a few more numerical sums on inverse. Find the inverse of this matrix. So to find in A inverse, first write the formula. We have adjoint of A upon determinant value of A, where determinant value is not equal to 0. So let's first perform determinant value. Check it once. ಅದು 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. That's why. So let's perform the determinant value. Plus minus plus, plus into capacitors, we find 1 plus 2. I think by now everyone is perfect in expanding. We have minus 2, close it. We find minus 1, it is minus 4. Minus 1 capacitors, close it. We find 1 minus 2. And finally I got here 14, which is of course not equal to 0. Andre matra ನೀವು adjoint ಗೆ you want to proceed here. That means A inverse exists. So to find adjoint of A, what should be done? I hope remember you have to go for cofactor. For that you have to prepare the chart like this, and you know Shankar-Pali rule, minus of, it is minus of, it is minus of, it is minus of. Close the corresponding row and the column, find out the determinant value. So every cofactors will be listed here, which I done it. You find the answer as 3. This answer will be 5. This answer will be minus 1. Okay, I done it here. Verify Madi, then you can verify the various cofactors. Its transpose is taken here. This I should call it as adjoint of A. Once you find adjoint of A, once we had determinant value, now come for the formula. What is the formula? A inverse is adjoint of A upon determinant. Andre adjoint of A andre matrix alva. E matrix ke divided by, I should say 14, which I wrote it here as a scalar idella idu. This I can take it as 1 by 14. This is as good as I am dividing it only, no? A inverse is adjoint divided by 14, which I can take it as 1 by 14 into this. This itself is A inverse. This matrix itself is A inverse. 14 ಒಳಗಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೇನಾದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 by 14 minus 1 by 14, 5 by 14, 5 by 14, 3 by 14 and accordingly. This should be done, but normally a fraction is kept outside only. If all the terms are simplification exist over, simplification ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ, for example 3 and I find here 6, or the reverse, 6 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ. If the terms can simplify, then we go for simplification. But right now, this is the answer for this question, given question. So these all steps you need to perform, and because the whole solution, it depends upon calculation only. Either one answer tappadru kuda, it's gone case. So to be very much particular about the calculation part. And for verification, we of course we can verify here, but that verification step is very lengthy. That's why I'm not discussing here. Otherwise, you know the meaning of A inverse. E A inverse matrix anna idra jotege ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will be getting identity matrix ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, but it's very lengthy. So while doing it itself, you have to be very particular about the calculation part. Verification hardly we have a chance. So calculation should and must accurately. Okay, so one more question I given here. Find A inverse of A for the given matrix. Hence find A inverse into B, where B is a given, a column matrix is given to us. So madle inverse of A complete ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೋಣ. Inverse of A, you have to first complete it. Find out the inverse of A here, which depends upon determinant value. So determinant, I had done it for you here. It's 8. Then go for cofactor. Please make here minus, and then go for cofactor. List out transpose, and then we have the adjoint of A. Once we find the adjoint of A, now write here A inverse. What is the inverse now? It's 1 by 8 into the matrix. This is the answer for inverse. Give a pause and you can solve it. You can verify the answer. Now let's go for the second half part of the question. They say A inverse into B. So how to perform A inverse into B? A inverse is nothing but 1 by 8 into this A, whatever terms we have here, into the B matrix. So check out the order. It is 3 cross 3 order idu nodi idu 3 cross 3 order ide. Idest order ide? I should say 3 rows, a single column. 3 rows, single column. So the resultant matrix ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 cross 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 3 rows, a single column ಇರುವಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. So you can set your mind, a single column. So first row, first column perform ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. Next column ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ next column ಬರಬಾರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. First row, first column perform it. Minus 4, it is plus 8, it is 0. Next, second row, first column. ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ second row, first column ಗೆ entry ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ, entry ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Got it? So I should say it is minus into minus plus 18. So be careful about the column as well as what is the matrix multiplication we are doing here. Okay. So I should say it is minus 4 and I should say it is plus 0. Followed by this, I should say here it is minus into minus plus 12. It is the third row, first column. Third row, first column alle entry ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Check out the order. That will guide you properly. So once we have done it, I find 1 by 8 kept as it is. I find the terms as This is 20. Okay, sorry, this is 4 my dear. This is 14, this is 4. So we find the answer 1 by 2, 7 by 4 and 1 by 2. This itself is the final answer. For 2 cross 2 order, find the inverse of this matrix. For 2 cross 2 order, you have to say A inverse formula is adjoint of A upon determinant value of A. Determinant value, I have to perform it first, which I done it here. I find the answer to be 4, which is not equal to 0. Okay, and adjoint, I had done it straight away. How to find the adjoint? Reverse and sign change. So straight away I concluded the answer. A inverse is 1 by 4. Determinant I had taken. Divide ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ 4 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. 1 by 4. Because formula ಅಲ್ಲಿ divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ determinant value. Divided by ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. It's 1 by 4 of this matrix 5 minus 3 minus 2 and 2. So find the inverse of, okay, for so that you should work it out. For practice purpose, I have given one more question here. Find the inverse of this matrix. Solution I given here. Verify the answer. Okay, next question here we find if A is a matrix, show that A inverse does not exist. A inverse illa anta prove ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕತ್ತ ನೋಡಿ. So A inverse does not exist. How we can do that? We know it where determinant value ಏನಾದರೂ 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ, isn't it? So let's write the formula, and we know this formula always stands the A inverse exists only, I should say, determinant value 0 ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. So obviously I'll go for determinant value, and finally I find the answer to be 0. Because determinant value is 0, I should say A inverse does not exist. This is how we are going to prove it. By proving that A is a singular matrix ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. Now one more question. It's a textbook question. If A is a matrix, B is a matrix, and verify AB inverse is equal to, it is B inverse A inverse. It's a textbook question only. So let's have I have not mentioned all the steps here. Let's have a discussion from your text only. You can find this as a worked example. If A is a matrix, B is a matrix, and verify AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. So how to perform? First, to go for AB only. AB madle perform ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Matrix multiplication, do it first. Then to find out its inverse. To find out its inverse, I should say it's adjoint of AB divided by determinant value of AB. Determinant value of AB, determinant, you have to perform it. We find here plus 14 minus 25. The answer, I should say, it is, I think it is minus 11. They have skipped the, okay, I can write all the steps here and then substitute it back here. So followed by, I should say it's adjoint. For adjoint, reverse, and as it is, but sign change. This minus has been balanced, and I should say positive 1 by 11, all the sign has been balanced accordingly. This is AB inverse. Right, all the steps neatly, you can easily make out. What about B inverse and A inverse? So first you have to find out A inverse, you have to find out B inverse. For this determinant value ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ of A matrix, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು determinant value. Solve it first. You find minus 11, determinant ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು. I should say it's positive 1. That means A inverse, B inverse exist. What is A inverse formula then? Adjoint upon determinant minus 11. B inverse adjoint upon, this is 1, which does not make any difference. Now let's go for B inverse A inverse, which they had done it here. B inverse A inverse. Matrix multiplication, perform it, keep minus 1 by 11 as it is. So you find this as the answer, you find that LHS is equal to RHS, and conclude AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Got it? So all the steps I have not shown it here, but it's a worked example. You can perform it. You can go for all the steps. The next question I have taken here, that is, if A is okay, show that. This is one more important question. Show that if A is a matrix which satisfies this equation, A square minus 4 times the matrix A plus the identity matrix is equal to. Normally students will pronounce this as 0. This is not 0. This is null matrix. So you can say O. The equation is A square minus 4 times the matrix A plus identity matrix is equal to null matrix, or say O. Hence find A inverse. So the first half part, what you can see here, no? This already had done it in the previous chapter, matrix only. ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ, the same question was already asked. This pattern was already asked in the previous chapter. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ? A ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? A ಇಂಟು A ನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. 4 ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಆಂಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. LHS ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಪುಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 0 0 0 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಅದು ಡನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. So this, okay, once again I have done it for you here. So starting part, our equation na prove madidmele, hence find A inverse idilla. Idu ee chapter ina contribution. Ee chapter li idನ್ನ extra ಕೇಳಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ. Now how to go for A inverse, because already you know formula. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ formula use ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. If this equation is given, ಈ equation ಒಳಗಿಂತ್ರ ನೀವು A inverse ಗೆ formula drag ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. That's what I want to discuss here. So if this part is asked, what should be done? Let's complete this first half part. Afterwards, I'll go for hence find A inverse. To find out A square here, A into A matrix multiplication, I performed it here. I got so and so answer. 4 times A also is done for you here. Now let's start with LHS. So the LHS part we find it's A square minus 4 times A plus the identity matrix. A square, all the terms are substituted here. We went for the calculation and find all the elements to be 0, 0. Which is nothing but the null matrix, which is denoted by O. Now, this is the part which we have not discussed. Okay. Straight away, you will not be going for A inverse in a dark formula. Okay. That means what should be done? We have already proved the equation A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0. Now, this equation, we will simplify to. Prove ಮಾಡಿರೋ equation ನಾವೀಗ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಡ್ರಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. To find out A inverse. A inverse definition ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು A into A inverse is I. ಇದು definition. It's by definition. Isn't it? So this equation, we are reducing it to definition part. So how best we can do? See, RHS ಕಡೆ I ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So for that, what I done? Plus I is transferred. We get minus I. Minus sign has to be balanced here. So minus is taken out and I should say it is minus A square. It is minus 4A goes to plus 4A is equal to I. So I fulfill I2. Always see this part. This is the definition. I bandaitu. Munde A I need to fetch it out from the LHS part. Andre, ee pooti term intra go for A has to be taken common. If I drag out A common, we're left out with A square means A into A. So we're left out with minus A. But be careful about this. See, bare 4 anta bariyongilla. We are solving it for A, which is a matrix, my dear. So A comes out, but nothing is left out andaga. We are left out with the identity matrix here. Because A into I or the reverse, I into A is always A only, no? Andre, this A can be taken by, this A can be balanced by A into I. So which are taken here. A aste illa ile. Along with this, even I find I also here. So A is taken out, we are left out with I. Bare 4 baradre, the equation will not get balanced because we are speaking about matrix. 4 is only scalar. One more matrix has to be balanced here. So that matrix is balanced by identity matrix. So we are left out with here I. Now this whole result, what the modification I had done, it resembles what now? A into A inverse is equal to I. A into A inverse is equal to I. So now I can say that A inverse, we have one more formula. What's the formula? Minus A plus 4I. Be careful. A inverse idu innond formula ide. But yavudakke? Only for this given question. Only for this given question, A matrix kottidalla. Only for that matrix which fulfills this equation. Not in general. In general, A inverse formula is adjoint of A upon determinant value of A is in general formula. But only for this question, A inverse formula is minus A plus 4I. Ishtike bido hagilla. For the continue, minus kept as it is. A matrix barkotira. 2, 3, 1, 2, it's given data. 4 into I is nothing but 4004. And therefore, when you simplify, minus 2 plus 4, it's plus 2. Minus 3 as it is, minus 1 as it is, simplification, minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. This itself is the answer for the given question. Okay. So in short also you people can, it's an extra for your reference I'm giving here. See, A is a matrix given to us as 2, 3, 1, 2 kodida nodi. How to find A inverse? You know it very well. Formula is what? Adjoint. How to find adjoint? 2, ulta. Minus 3. Okay, I should say it is minus 1. Sign change. Upon determinant value. How to find determinant value? Imagine 2 2s are 4 minus 3. It is 1. Andre A inverse is adjoint upon determinant. So what is the A inverse here? 2 minus 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. You have got the same answer, but which method? ಈ equation ತಗೊಂಡು you people are dragging it out. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್, ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಟು ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ minus a plus 4 times I. Then you have the same answer. So method makes a difference, my dear. So can we conclude here three options? I repeat. From right from beginning we are analyzing here, I think we have 3 options to say here. See, if this a question is asked, if A is a matrix, okay, so what are the elements taken here? 2, 3, 1, 2, yeah, 2, 3, 1, 2, okay. So this is a question, if A is a matrix, find A inverse by elementary operations and the word use madidre, elementary operations. Then this question you people have already come across in matrix chapter. If the question is asked, if A is a matrix 2, 3, 1, 2, okay, find A inverse. Ishte question kelidre, then your formula method you are going to use here, that is adjoint of A upon determinant value, condition applies, determinant should not be equal to 0. This formula I am going to use. If this is a question asked. One more option we have, if A is a matrix 2, 3, 1, 2, okay, prove that, show that A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0, okay, hence find A inverse anta kelidre. This question is all, these 2 pattern questions we find it in determinant chapter. Formula method is also we are learning here. It is shortcut method, the best option. But question he kelidre matra ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. If the question is find A inverse by elementary operation kelidre, you people have come across with matrix chapter. Elementary operation ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, row is transferred, row changes to R1 plus R2, elementary operations ನ perform ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನು? 3 different methods: elementary operation, direct formula, and equation through you are getting find A inverse. So read the question carefully. For the same matrix, answer remains same only, no, obviously. But method ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗೆ that's the best option. Verify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ದೇ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, this is the best option. But if this question is asked, you have to go for those methods only. I hope the terms are clear. Now you people are eligible to go for exercise 4.5. I think next video let me continue with exercise 4.5.